Diaspora Positive, impacting the communities positively across the world.
Wow. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to all of you. We are on live from London in the UK, and for this afternoon, I'm so glad, I'm very, very happy to receive two guests. The first one we start in English, so if you are French speaking, don't worry, don't rush. After maybe 30 minutes, we start by the French program. Right now, I want to introduce somebody, a great lady for me. I know this lady for more than 15 years. When she started with her job, so like a solicitor. So, good afternoon, Jennifer.
Good afternoon, Jean-Paul.
And welcome once again on Diaspora Positive TV.
My pleasure to be here once again.
Plaisir d'être ici.
Okay, and Mr. Guylain, can you introduce yourself?
Bonjour, moi c'est Ghislain et je vais être l'interprète de Miss Jennifer en français pour cette émission aujourd'hui.
Thank you.
So, bonjour.
I like this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you know, about, I can say that the last January 2018 to today, make about more than 4 months. Here in London, we have a serious issue, a big issue regarding the wars, violence on the street. When you are going now, everybody is affected. I can say this issue affect or impact all our community. That is why, because some local authorities say London now is more dangerous than New York. Can you imagine? We spend, the London spend or lost more than 50 people since January 2082 today. So this issue cannot let us like this, or we are the parents, we have different background. That is why from my team or my board decide today to invite Mrs. Jennifer Obaseki, who is the solicitor, to discuss with us about this issue. Jennifer, once again, welcome.
Thank you.
Ok. Guylain, vous allez essayer d'interpréter rapidement parce que là, nous avons gagné du temps.
D'accord.
Mr. Jennifer, London now, we see, is the worst violence on the London street.
Yes.
How can we do?
It's
Or what to do?
it's a difficult issue.
Yes.
C'est un problème difficile
It affects all ethnic groups in the community,
et ça affecte tous les groupes ethniques de la communauté.
but most of the children and most of the people that have died this year, out of the 50, majority are black and of African descent.
Mais la grande majorité des jeunes et des gens qui sont morts cette année sont de descendance noire et africaine, appartiennent à cette communauté.
So African, Caribbean, Somali, it's a mix, but we have to look at the fact that majority of these people that have passed away out of the 50 are of Afro-Caribbean descent, but a lot of African descent.
Okay.
Donc beaucoup d'Afro-Caribéens, mais une vaste majorité d'Africains, avant les Caribéens surtout.
We can look at the reasons for
Yeah.
this, but
That's it.
there
Come
are
on.
many.
Yeah.
On peut regarder les raisons pour
Ok.
ça. Il y en a de multiples.
Okay.
And many of them seem to be second-generation migrants.
La plupart d'entre eux semblent être des migrants de seconde génération, donc des descendants de migrants.
Second and third-generation migrants. So we have to look at the common issues that this generation has that is causing them to be attracted to gang affiliation or be victims of gang violence.
Donc ce qu'il nous faut faire, c'est de regarder sur les problèmes communs que ces jeunes partagent pour qu'ils soient victimes ou performeurs de ces violences.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my guest she was born here in Haringey, where we are based. In particular, she knows Tottenham very, very well.
Yes.
So when we invite her, she know what exactly what we are speaking about.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go.
You know, I was born in this area, and to hear that children are being shot
Okay.
in this area,
Vous savez,
Ok.
je suis né dans ce
it
quartier
breaks my
Ok.
heart.
et ici, des enfants ont été tués par balles dans ce quartier et ça me brise le cœur.
Okay.
And these are black children.
Et ce
Ok.
sont des enfants noirs.
So you wonder why are children either becoming victims of gang violence and why they are joining gangs.
Donc la question qu'on se demande, c'est pourquoi un jeune enfant noir va être plus facilement victime ou alors de violences par balle.
Okay.
And when I was growing up, there were gangs.
Okay.
There was gangs when I was growing up.
Quand j'ai grandi autour des gangs, il y avait déjà des gangs lorsque je grandissais,
Okay.
Gangs have changed. The dimensions of gangs. have
mais l'aspect des
changed.
gangs a changé
Now-
aujourd'hui.
Okay.
Now we have the social media
Yeah.
and it's glamorized.
Maintenant, avec les réseaux sociaux, c'est rendu de plus en plus populaire.
It's very, very much so popularized. And you see, the kind of gangs that were around when I was growing up, you had more from a West Indian culture.
Yeah.
Also, you had Greek gangs, you had
The
North
East-
African, and
Yeah.
you also had Mediterranean
Yeah.
gangs.
À mon époque, il y avait plus de diversité dans les gangs, diversité ethnique. Il y avait les Grecs, il y avait ceux d'Europe de l'Est, il y avait aussi les gangs plus affiliés à leur communauté.
And it was to dominate the control of the drugs in the community.
Et c'était surtout en lien avec la domination du marché de la drogue dans
And
les
also
communautés.
money laundering.
Yeah.
Et beaucoup en lien aussi avec l'argent et le prêt d'argent.
Okay.
And now the gangs are more fused. So the Somali gangs mixed with the African gangs, mixed with the Jamaican gangs. So now the boys, girls are mixed.
Maintenant, les gangs sont mélangés tous ensemble, que ce soit les Africains et les autres. Ils se mélangent tous, sont tous des jeunes avec des problèmes communs.
And it's more attached to postcode rather than ethnicity.
Okay.
So that's been one of the evolutions in gang culture.
Et c'est plus en lien avec le code postal,
Ok.
le quartier, plutôt que la
Là où
communauté.
ils habitent.
Oui.
Okay. Let's go.
And not only that, but the desire to rise through the gang, through the ranks, faster
Et ce désir de grandir vite au
seems
milieu
to
des
be a
gangs.
big thing. So to commit certain crimes, your gang gets points, and you sort of rise through the ranks of the gang hierarchy. So in
La
order
fac-
to become a top boy, you have to commit a stabbing or commit a robbery. And these kids actually are desiring and aspiring to rise as high-profile members in gangs.
Et ces jeunes cherchent à grandir trop vite et à grimper très vite les échelons. Donc ça va être coup de poignard, coup de feu, vol, cambriolage.
Okay.
But we as a community, we have to realize that we have to save our streets and save our kids.
Et nous, en tant que communauté, nous devons réaliser que nous devons sauver nos rues et nos enfants.
Unfortunately, many of the resources and facilities have been cut.
Malheureusement, beaucoup d'infrastructures et de ressources ont été coupées par le gouvernement.
Okay.
And because
That
there
is
is
one the
you know,
reason.
much of the resources,
Okay, let's
many
go.
of the youth clubs that we used to go to, they're closed.
Okay.
Oui.
Or many of the clubs you have to pay to go to.
Yeah.
And when you are in a place that there is a lack of, let me say, of that amount of money for families to pay for those extra activities,
Yeah.
because there's no money to go to some of the activities, it's not an option for many of the children.
Maintenant, il y a un manque d'infrastructures et la plupart d'entre elles, on ne peut plus se les permettre d'y aller. Il n'y a plus assez d'argent, elles sont payantes. Donc les enfants cherchent à faire autre chose, les gangs.
Okay.
And the police, they don't also understand the evolution of the gang culture. They don't know how it works, so they don't know how to tackle the problem.
Et la police
Yeah.
ne comprend pas assez la culture du gang et la manière d'agir d'un gang, donc ils ne savent pas quoi faire.
Yeah.
You know, and so families need to know there is protection out there. A lot of the reasons why I would say the diaspora community or migrants, children fall into gang is
Yeah.
poverty. That's the number one reason.
La raison numéro 1 de la criminalité et des gangs, c'est la pauvreté. Et les familles doivent se réaliser qu'il y a un moyen de sauver nos enfants.
And again, because of that poverty, they want to have the things that they see. They want to see the things they see on the television, on the social media. They want the trainers. They want the jacket, the wristwatch, and they want the money fast.
La pauvreté engendre chez jeunes le désir d'acquérir des signes de richesse très vite et donc très facilement, ce qui va passer par la violence.
But they also want to have the basics. They want to have good food and they want to pay the rent.
Yeah.
And they see their parents struggling. They want to just have some of the basics.
Mais de base, ils veulent surtout pouvoir vivre, donc manger, avoir un toit et empêcher leurs parents de
So,
galérer.
in other words,
Yeah.
it's important to make sure that the children are fully assimilated into society. And migrant children are often disenfranchised from society.
Donc la première solution serait d'assimiler ces jeunes à la société et de ne pas les rejeter. Et plus précisément, les jeunes issus de l'immigration sont les plus rejetés.
You know, if the cost of immigration applications is so high now, it's over £1,000.
Le prix de la candidature pour l'immigration est beaucoup trop cher maintenant. C'est plus
500.
cher,
It's-
plus
it's-
cher que...
Application.
Yeah, over 1,000. It's gone up last
Plus cher que
April
1,000
6th, it
pounds.
went up. And you know, if your parents are struggling to pay for these fees,
Yeah.
struggling to pay for rent, struggling to do just the basic things, ordinary things, then you know that sort of, let's say the pull of the streets,
Yeah.
the pull to go into gangs to make fast, quick money,
Yeah.
is going to be there.
Donc si déjà les parents et la famille ont du mal à survivre,
Oui.
l'appel de la violence, l'appel des gangs et l'appel de la rue est beaucoup plus facile à succomber.
You know, you feel that society doesn't care about you, so why
So
should
let's
you?
try yourself
Why
how
should
to
you?
survive.
And why should you respect the rules in the society? This is the thing.
Parce qu'on ressent que la
It's
société
sad.
ne nous respecte pas,
Oui.
donc on n'a pas l'envie et on ne ressent pas le besoin de respecter la société.
And you know, but parents shouldn't be afraid. There's also intimidation. That's another big problem. Many of the gangs are very powerful. There's large numbers. If you're living on an estate, you're living in an area,
Yeah.
and most of the children your age are in the gang,
Yeah.
the pressure for you to join is going to
Yeah,
be there.
receive it from this guy.
Yeah, and the threats, you're going to be scared
Yeah.
as well. Sometimes children join the gang for protection.
Yeah, exactly.
Les parents ne doivent pas vraiment s'inquiéter parce qu'en fait, c'est aussi sur ça que comptent les gangs, c'est le coup de pression et la peur. Et beaucoup de jeunes rejoignent les gangs pour la protection et par peur aussi.
Okay. L'intimidation.
Yeah.
Les gaillards.
We-
Let's go.
So, you know, what do we do if we
Yeah.
have our children being intimidated by gang members? You know, there are legal provisions
Yeah.
to protect families, to
Yeah.
protect individuals.
Il existe des règles juridiques pour protéger les familles et les individus contre les gangs.
I've known families who have gone to police but not received help.
J'ai connu beaucoup de familles qui sont allées voir la police mais n'ont reçu aucune aide.
Whether they've been threatened by guns, by knives, but yet the police haven't realized the urgency
Yeah.
to get injunctions and
Okay.
the urgency to even move the family.
Par exemple, la police n'a pas encore réalisé, car elle ne connaît pas le système des gangs, le besoin d'avoir des ordonnances de restriction et le besoin d'agir physiquement contre les gangs.
And that is very sad because then the family basically loses and the gang
Abandon.
wins.
Yeah.
Et c'est toujours très triste parce que, en général, la famille perd et le gang gagne.
Okay.
But a lot of the killings that we have seen this
Oh,
year
Yeah.
have been, let me say, where children have gone out
Okay.
to events and then there's been an argument and the first thing is knife.
La,
Been stabbed.
la majorité maintenant des crimes commis que nous avons eus cette année sont même plus graves que ça. Ils sont liés à des coups de rage. La plupart de ces enfants vont en faire la fête en soirée. Il y a
Couteau.
un coup de couteau sur un coup de colère
Ok.
lors d'une bagarre.
And then also rivalry between
knife.
gangs from different areas.
Et il y a aussi beaucoup de rivalité entre les gangs
Yeah.
de plusieurs quartiers.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Well done. Oh, that's a big issue what I'm saying. So bad, so bad. So now what to do? Because you are a solicitor, you know. It's like now somebody come in your office and she make a complaint. How to do now? Because all these people just waiting for something. How to do, madam?
Well, there's
Yeah.
a major force
Yeah.
and
Because
operation
it's
in
a
London.
serious matter.
Yes, in London there is an establishment, part of the police,
Yeah.
which is basically to fight specifically against gang crime called
Okay.
Trident.
Okay.
Alors, à Londres, il y a une institution très particulière, un département de la police appelé Trident, qui est spécialisé dans le combat contre les gangs.
Okay.
But again, they cannot be everywhere at the same time,
No,
and it's a
we can't do
specialized
that.
unit.
Yeah.
So most of the different stations
Yeah.
and different constabularies
Yeah.
should have a direct officer that is responsible. No, a specific officer
Okay.
on duty at most times to deal with gang crime.
Chaque poste de police, comme ils ne peuvent pas être partout à la fois, chaque
Yeah.
poste de police a un département Trident, donc
Ok.
Trident, qui est spécialisé contre le combat contre le gang.
Okay.
The problem that we have is due to the police cuts, many of the community
Yeah,
police
the number
officers
of officers.
has cut down.
Yeah.
So many of the community officers who used to be very familiar
Yeah.
with certain areas, the streets,
Yeah.
and the people and the residents,
Yeah.
that community policing has been reduced, which is unfortunate.
Et le problème, c'est que la police, les ressources de la police ont été coupées. Donc,
Effective.
oui, donc la police n'a plus d'effectifs ni de ressources pour aider de manière effective la population.
That's
this-
the government.
Yes, but they still have an obligation to protect you and to investigate crime properly.
Mais ils ont toujours cette obligation, ce devoir de vous protéger et d'enquêter de manière efficace contre le crime.
So the first thing is to make sure that you try to get as much evidence as you can. You know, the mobile phone has become a very good way to document threats,
Yeah.
to document and keep text messages
Yeah.
and things. Some of these threats come through social media
Yeah.
by the use of apps like Snapchat and things like that. But try to document as much of the threats that you can.
C'est pour ça qu'il est très important de garder les preuves des menaces et des agressions, par exemple, que ce soit maintenant aujourd'hui par les réseaux sociaux,
Ouais.
par téléphone, messages, textes ou même par les applications Snapchat ou WhatsApp.
Okay.
C'est très important de garder en mémoire et même dans son ordinateur
proof.
la
Yeah.
preuve.
Okay. Okay.
But
That's
you,
it.
you don't have to wait for proof.
Yeah.
It's very important that the first thing that
To
you look
report.
at is risk and reporting.
Okay.
Donc en fait, il ne faut surtout pas attendre d'avoir les preuves, il faut, même sans preuve, dès qu'il y a un risque,
Ok.
le rapporter à la police.
That's one.
The one thing, as I say,
Yeah.
many of the gangs and the street attitude is
Yeah.
if you report, you're a snitch.
Yeah.
And then, you know, that's another
That's
whole,
the- yeah.
you know, reason why people are scared to report.
Yeah.
But let me explain something.
Yeah. Let's go.
Nobody can help you when you're dead. It's important
Yeah.
that you report.
Like,
Alors,
come on.
la chose la plus importante à dire, c'est que les gangs comptent sur ça. Il y a cette intimidation de si tu
De ne pas
dis ce qui s'est
reporter.
passé, si tu dis ce qui s'est passé,
Ok.
il y a cette menace, on va te tuer.
Okay.
Mais personne ne peut vous aider quand vous êtes mort, donc il vaut mieux rapporter malgré le risque.
Yeah,
That's
it's
right.
very important that you report. The gangs, they thrive on your
Yeah.
intimidation.
Yeah. That's good.
Les gangs se nourrissent de votre peur.
So you cannot let them win in that way.
Yeah.
Report. And then when you report, and if you are at such a high risk, you are entitled to protection, adequate protection.
C'est pour ça que vous devez rapporter les menaces et en fonction de la gravité du risque, vous aurez droit et vous devez avoir droit à une protection.
Okay.
You know, many gang members feel that they're above the law, that the police will not be able to find them to take action,
Yeah.
the police will not be able to stop them even if they take action. And many of the gangs even use juveniles to commit
Yeah,
the main
that's
crimes or to threaten you. So when they use the juveniles, they think nothing's going to happen to those people because they're underage.
Les gangs, en fait, se servent de ça et ils utilisent même d'ailleurs des jeunes pour vous menacer et ils se sentent juste pas menacés par la police parce qu'ils sentent que la police ne va pas les attraper.
Oh,
So
my
it's
God.
very important that
Yeah.
you do seek
Yeah.
advice from a solicitor
Yeah.
if the police are not listening and not offering you adequate protection.
C'est pour ça qu'il ne faut pas hésiter à se tourner vers un conseiller juridique, un avocat, si la police ne vous protège pas.
Okay.
Then if your children are involved in gangs,
Yeah.
you know, a new wave has come up of violence
Yeah.
from the youth against the parents and against adults.
That's-
So this is a very difficult situation to deal with as a parent.
En tant que parent, une autre situation difficile à laquelle
That's a good question. I want you to say,
Ouais.
ask the same question. Let's go.
Une autre question difficile à laquelle se frotter, c'est lorsque notre propre enfant est en lien avec les gangs, comment réagir?
And we've seen situations where obviously if you hit your child, you as the parent will be in trouble,
Yeah.
and there will not be the full recognition that you may be defending yourself against a child that is very violent.
Et c'est pas rare de voir la situation dans laquelle, si on frappe l'enfant en tant que parent, c'est nous qui sommes le fautif, même si c'est la légitime défense. Donc c'est un problème très difficile à gérer.
Such situations require expert intervention and a lot of support and reporting by yourself as the parent to social services.
Certaines de ces situations, justement, nécessitent beaucoup d'aide, beaucoup d'expertise, et c'est pour ça qu'il ne faut pas hésiter à se tourner vers les services sociaux également.
Okay.
Our culture, we don't
Yeah.
like to go to social services
Yeah,
because we
I
have
know
the
that.
fear.
We are
There's the
coming
fear
from
that
Africa.
they're going to take the child away.
Yeah.
But if you try to work with them from
Okay.
the beginning, you have to show that you're ready to cooperate, and they can try to help you with
Yeah.
the issues you have with the
To say
child.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
Il faut montrer qu'on est prêt à coopérer avec les institutions et les services sociaux, même si dans notre culture, il y a cette peur de se tourner vers les services sociaux et les institutions.
We have some very unfortunate social workers. Some lack the understanding of the ethnic and diversity of the African community.
Okay.
That's sad, but sometimes there is that problem.
Okay.
Il y a parfois ce problème que les travailleurs dans les services sociaux ne comprennent pas les origines culturelles d'une communauté et donc ne comprennent pas les problèmes liés à ça.
That is the problem.
We see it a lot outside of London, a
Yeah.
lot.
On le voit beaucoup en dehors de Londres, justement.
And sometimes, for example, a difficult teenager
Yeah.
gets removed from the house to go and live in social care,
Yeah.
and that child unfortunately grows up without the proper guidance. Some have even died from food poisoning because they've not been assessed properly on how to live independently.
On voit beaucoup le cas de jeunes qui sont enlevés de leur famille et qui grandissent sans justement la présence parentale et qui parfois finissent par mourir.
Some have fallen further into gang culture,
Yeah.
been taken outside London and start transporting drugs
Oh
for
my
gangs.
God.
Certains même ont un cas qui s'aggrave, ils plongent encore plus dans la culture des gangs.
And many of them, when they get arrested, especially those who have indefinite leave to remain,
Yeah.
do not realize that at the end of their sentence, as young people, they face deportation.
Et beaucoup d'entre eux, quand ils sont ramenés, surtout ceux qui sont là de manière indélébile,
Oui.
ils vont être déportés à la fin de la punition.
Wow. That's
So
it.
very important for the family
Yeah.
to try and get help. So family support services, there are different ones outside of the social services. There are groups that can try and help with
Okay.
family intervention support.
C'est pour ça qu'il est important de se tourner vers les services sociaux et aussi les groupes d'intervention de familles, d'aide, qui ne sont pas rares, mais il faut oser se tourner vers eux.
Okay.
But families must also
Yeah.
try to go to help with the probation service, so that if the child is falling into the gang culture in the local area,
Yeah.
to try and assist the family in moving away and out of the area.
Ne pas hésiter aussi à
Solution.
ne pas hésiter aussi à se tourner vers les services de probation. Comme ça, si l'enfant est allé trop loin dans la culture du gang,
Oui.
ne pas hésiter à bouger la famille du quartier en question, de les éloigner
Yeah.
du gang.
Yeah.
Then just finally,
Yeah.
if the child has already been sentenced, maybe they've carried out a criminal act
Okay.
and they have been sentenced, it's important that the families try to get support by things like assessment.
Yeah.
Sometimes the children are suffering from ADHD,
Yeah,
suffering from
that's it.
attention deficit disorders. Sometimes the children have psychological issues,
Yeah.
sometimes trauma that the parents are not even aware of. Maybe they've been beaten by the gang, so they are suffering from trauma. So it's important that such people
Many, yeah.
have assessments
Yeah.
and support.
Ce qui est finalement, au final, enfin, dernière chose, c'est que la famille doit aussi se tourner vers les services de probation pour avoir une expertise et un diagnostic. Par exemple, si l'enfant a vécu des traumas
Ouais.
ou d'autres choses en lien avec ça, pour avoir un vrai diagnostic et une expertise pour avoir une vraie aide.
In order to prevent the deportation,
Yeah.
very important that if such a child is sentenced more than 12 months, they will face automatic deportation. But the appeal can be heard in country,
Yeah.
and they must get expert advice to help them defend the appeal. Because many of these children have not been back to their countries since they were very young, or some of them, have never really lived or visited the country,
Yeah.
and all of their family members are here in
How
the
can,
UK.
yeah.
You know, but because of the law
Yeah.
says once you're over 18 and you're sentenced for more than 12 months,
Yeah.
it's automatic deportation. So only appeal will win, only on human rights grounds.
Ouais, can
So
do that.
very important that the family gets urgent help
Okay.
if faced with an immigration problem. as a
Très
result.
important, et là, ceci est de manière urgente, si l'enfant a 18 ans et qu'il a déjà été condamné à plus de 12 mois ou à au moins 12 mois, la loi dit que c'est déportation automatique. Donc c'est très important, il y a un appel qui est possible dessus. Donc c'est très important de se tourner vers cet appel et de le prendre et d'avoir justement cette aide juridique pour passer appel et garder l'enfant sur le territoire. Parce que beaucoup de ces enfants ne sont jamais retournés dans leur pays.
Ladies and gentlemen, nous sommes là. Il faut en aller. How time run out now. Can you conclude your
Well,
this vital information?
number one, if you are being intimidated by a gang, do not be afraid to report. Do not.
Premièrement, si vous êtes menacé par un gang, n'hésitez pas à le dire et à l'exprimer.
If you are dead, we cannot help you.
Yeah, yeah.
Si vous êtes mort, on ne peut pas vous
And
aider.
they will win.
Et ils auront gagné.
Yeah.
Okay? And if you are struggling with your child or your child is facing deportation, come and see us. There are legal provisions to help you.
Si vous avez des problèmes avec votre enfant ou si votre enfant est menacé de déportation, venez nous voir, on va vous apporter une aide juridique.
There are legal provisions to protect you.
Il y a des règles juridiques pour vous protéger.
Merci beaucoup.
The last one, your details, your contact.
Oh,
Can go straight away.
anybody can email us at info@obasekisolicitors.com.
Tout le monde peut nous envoyer un email à info@obasekisolicitor.com.
And you can come to our office any Friday, and you'll be seen. We have a free clinic every Friday.
Vous pouvez venir dans nos locaux tous les vendredis, la consultation est gratuite.
And
Le
hopefully,
vendredi.
Yeah.
we will have offices in Manchester and Milton Keynes open within the next 8 weeks. So people around the country, feel free.
Nationwide.
You will always be
Nationwide.
able to get to us, even if you can't get to London.
Et ce n'est pas limité à Londres, nous avons bientôt des bureaux ouverts à Manchester et Milton Keynes, so tout le monde pourra venir nous voir.
Merci.
Okay, bye bye.
Au revoir.
Thank you, la régie. Oh. Hello. Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. La régie. Oh my God. If we were not ready, we will continue with it. Okay. You know, these are. Thank you.
When you're looking for a solicitor to deal with your case, you don't just look for any solicitor, you look for the right solicitor. An expert who knows what he's doing can deal with your case the right way, achieving the best results. Hobaski Solicitors has more than 100 years of specialist experience serving the local community in immigration law, property law, human rights legislation, civil and criminal litigation, family law, employment law, Sharia law, business law, maritime and commercial law, providing professional legal services globally in Africa, Asia and Europe. Be assured we'll be able to deal with your case the absolute right way with results. So, contact us today by phone on 020 7739 7549 or go online at www.legalpal.com.